PA, clean the stuff off. All right, going to be the... Actually, come out here.
Okay, okay. That's yeah. This would come like this. Yeah.
You touch, man.
There you go. That's what they say.
Yeah. Jesus. I saw that one just pop there.
Yeah. This. This.
It's definitely
There's nothing better than the human hand.
Yeah, I think
It's a
so.
good tool, eh?
Yeah.
So always kind of push it out as you bring it down. Yeah. Curve it down like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep going a bit more. More spray.
Yeah, as soon as we get onto that bump, you can just feel them up there, right? Oh, that feels so much better. Bloody credit cards, you can't trust them, huh?
Nah. Oh, they bounce in the air. This is fun. Okay, let's get this spot here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Get a bit more room.
If you want to cut off some of that paper, you know, if it's in your way.
It's all the same actually. It's just handy to hold on to.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Oh, that's good, mate.
I'm keeping the top of the paper to the line as usual. Something more. Very good.
Back, yeah, coming back, come back.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That's good.
So,
Okay, you got the angle from there, but it's
yeah,
really good.
let me go down here now.
Yeah. It's dropping a bit.
It is.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
We got that.
Yeah.
We don't.
No, we don't. Just up a fraction. That's like, see that now we're getting the angle, and now we just level it up with that one there. After this curve, that's perfect. Yeah, these ones down here. I was trying to tell my real estate. Oh, this is giving a really good feel here.
Okay.
It's just
Look,
going.
we still have a couple of bumps, but
Yeah, but you can actually, we can put the hair dryer on it.
you get with the
And the
yeah.
hair dryer.
Yeah.
And it's done.
I'll let you do the wrap, so the final wrap.
Yeah.
Then you can say you finished it. Gavin only
Yeah.
started and you finished it, you can say.
And the thing is, we're halfway through.
Yeah.
I think that these little decals will take a bit to get on.
Beautiful. Hold that again. Yeah. There's no better time than now, Bruce.
Exactly.
Do it, you know. Get this stuff.
Now this is, it's actually starting to go down at the exact same
exact
angle.
same. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly the same. We just went and checked over there. I'm just taking tears down to the peninsula below Yokohama. I love it over there.
In winter, they're boring.
Really?
They go for the whole winter because it's foggy in Ireland. You know, so it's like, okay, cool.
So that's that same cut.
Have you been to Ishigaki Island? No.
No.
Okay, there's an lighthouse. It's very, very tall.
Yeah,
I
there
like
is
that
that.
one. Yeah.
Shit, that looks really good.
Okay, so this is you again. Do you want to cut it or?
Yep, yep.
And I'm gonna do the
I'll go
bubbles
around
then.
the back, around the back.
Oh, so yeah. So I'm gonna cut it here.
Yep. I'm thinking of this.
Have a look now again over there and make sure you're satisfied with that.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You won't see that.
Okay. It's correct to the mill, right? Yeah.
Put everything on credit card.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's really good now.
Yeah.
It's perfect. Not a bubble to be seen, I think.
yeah.
Over there.
But you know, when I'm flying the miles that I was flying for so long, because any business trip, it does it, huh?